So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 small habits that can completely change your mindset and your life. You don't need big and dramatic action to change your life. What you need is just small, tiny habits done consistently. So the first habit is self appreciation. This is something which we all need to learn, because what we do is we all wait for others to appreciate ourselves, कि कोई आए और मेरी तारीफ़ करे, मुझे कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे, या लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू द गोइंग इन अ पार्टी एंड यू आर वेयरिंग अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस, अपने अच्छे से तैयार होके गए एंड देन यू आर वेटिंग फॉर अदर्स कि कोई आए और मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे. डोंट वेट फॉर अदर्स, बी योर ओन चीयर लीडर. स्टार्ट चेयरिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ. वो आगे तारीफ़ करे ना करे, बट मैं अपनी तारीफ़ कर रही हूँ. दैट इज़ द पॉइंट. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि कोई करे. करे तो अच्छी बात है, करे तो वेलकम, नहीं करे तो नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट बी योर ओन चेयर लीडर्स. एंड वेन यू start cheering for yourself, your relationship with yourself becomes stronger. So the second habit is positive self-talk. Now, look at your vocabulary. Observe your vocabulary. What you keep on telling yourself every single day. हर मिनट आप खुद को क्या बोल रहे हो? आई एम कन्फ्यूज्ड, आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड, आई कांट डू दिस, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, और मेरा कुछ हो नहीं सकता, मेरी लाइफ ऐसी है. So stop saying stop criticizing yourself. Stop saying these things to yourself, because your words have a lot of power and energy. So use them consciously. When you are telling yourself that I am stressed, what happens? You feel more stressed. And when you say I'm happy, what you do? You feel more happy. So stress जब word you use करोगे तो what will happen? Your facial expression would be like I'm stressed. And when you say I'm happy, then you definitely will feel happy. So whenever you feel any negative emotion, change your physiology, because when you change your physiology, your psychology changes. So focus on whenever you feel sad or negative emotion, what to do is walk, dance, exercise, whatever the physical activity that you can do. Just move your body. Just move your body, no matter whatever the activity that you want to do. So ये तो था कि जब आप नेगेटिव इमोशन फील कर रहे हो तो हाउ टू चेंज योर स्टेट. नाउ coming back to the point, positive self-talk. So your words have power, a lot of power and energy to them. Whatever you will tell yourself, you will feel inside, and whatever you're feeling inside, what you will be doing is based on that feeling you are going to take action, and your actions will define your results. So indirectly or directly, your actions or your results are dependent on your thoughts and beliefs, or your self-talk, what you are telling to yourself. So stop repeating yourself these negative, disempowering thoughts to yourself. Start telling yourself empowering ones, which make you feel good, which make you feel empowered in your own self. So now the third habit is gratitude. Be grateful for everything in your life. See, whatever you focus on, it expands. So if you are focusing on what is missing in your life, what will happen? It will expand, right? So if you are focusing on what is good in life, if you are focusing on what is that something that you already have, what will happen? It will expand in your life. So whatever you appreciate, it appreciates in your life. Start being grateful for each and every small thing. It can be your water you are drinking. It can be grateful for the air you breathe in, the sunlight you receive. So the simple thing is to be grateful for whatever you have. अगर आपके पास 10 रुपये है तो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट ओनली. अगर आपके पास 5,000 है तो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. Whatever you have, be grateful for it. Say thank you for everything. And see, one more thing, in starting you might feel you're faking it, but when you keep on doing this activity every single day, you will start feeling it. And if you are feeling like, oh, by saying I feel like I'm not able to absorb it, what you can do is you can write down this. Write down 10 things you are grateful for every single day. So this activity will help you see good things around you and will help you to make you more positive in your life. So the fourth habit is create your life consciously. Write down, take out some time like weekly or monthly and write down what do you want. Ask yourself, what do I want? And write it down on a piece of paper, because when you write, you get clarity. And when you get clarity, at that point of time, you will get the courage to take decisions, because clarity uh, because courage only comes after clarity. When you have the clarity that okay, this is what I want to do, even if you are not 100% clear, but you have some clarity, at that point of time you will be able to be courageous to take a decision about it and take action on this. So clarity comes from engagement. Always remember this. Write down what you want. So the fifth habit is clarity of what matters. When you know, when you have written your goals or your life, that this is something, how my life I want to have, then write down your goal, that this is my goal, this is something which I want to achieve in next 2 months or 3 months or next 1 year. So write down your goal, be clear on your goal, and make your goal fix. Because fix your goal and everything around it can adjust. Your goal should be non-negotiable. And when you fix your goal, what will happen is your distractions will slowly dissolve. You will not be get distracted by each and every small thing, because now you know that this is your goal which is fixed and what you have to do about it. So now the sixth habit. So now when you have written your goal that this is my goal, now the next step comes is ask yourself, what is the one thing I need to do today to which will take me closer to my goal? Because if you are not taking small actions, I'm not saying big actions but small actions, it doesn't matter whatever your goal is, how ambitious you are, if you are not taking action, you are not going to reach there. So start asking yourself this one question: what is the one thing I can do today which will take me closer to my goal? Write down that one thing, and always remember this: work always works, but the question is how ready are you to see it working for you. Now the seventh habit is celebrate your wins. At the end of the day, instead of pointing out what you didn't do, point out what you did, what new thing you did, what new thing you learned, what is the one thing that you did towards your goal. It doesn't matter कि आपने वो मतलब आपके गोल की तरफ ही होना चाहिए या फिर आपने जो टास्क है वही होने चाहिए. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो, लाइक आज मैंने पानी अच्छे से पिया, आज मैंने एक्सरसाइज करी, आज मैं जल्दी उठी. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, इवन अ स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग मैटर्स. So write down 5 to 10 things every single day at night, that these are the things that I did right and I'm very proud of it. Be happy about it, and this will help you to or this will inspire you to work more on the next day. So yes, these are the small 7 habits that I have built in my life, and they have changed the way I think, the way I feel, and the way I act. And these small habits will help you for sure. And always remember this, that nothing changes if nothing changes. So if you resonated with if this video helped you, share it with someone who needs this, and I will see you in the next video.